I rise like the sun in the east, bold and steady, a limitless beast. The mirror shouts my name, I hear a conqueror's voice loud and clear. Every breath a spark, every step a mark. I am successful, I am wealthy. Golden rivers flow within me. I stand tall, I claim my ground. The crown is mine, it's all around. I walk through doors, they open wide. The universe walks by my side.